Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to reset your Binance Passkey. First, open the Binance application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the Binance icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. In this menu, tap on your username. This will take you to your account settings. Once you are in the account settings, look for and tap on the security option. This is where you can manage all the security settings for your account. In the security section, find and tap on Passkeys. This is where you can add, remove, or reset your passkeys. To reset your passkey, tap on Add Passkey. You might be prompted to confirm this action. Next, tap on Continue and use Face ID to sign in and verify your identity. This step ensures that it is you who's making the changes. After this, tap on Continue again to finalize the process. Once these steps are completed, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your passkey has been successfully reset. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.